So here it is, my best selling item of 2022. It was... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. 2023 is here. Yeah, last year I got a little bit lazy. I didn't really sell as much as I wanted to. We did about $450,000 in sales, which to some of you guys seems like a lot, but after taxes, expenses, your buy cost, all that other stuff, I'll be lucky if I end up with $80,000 in my pocket. Like, I'm not really crying about it. 80,000 is pretty good. I mean, I still don't know. I still don't know. My accountant still has to go through it. I think it was because I worked so hard my whole life that I just wanted to sit back and enjoy what I built. And we did a lot of renovations on the house. Me and my wife did everything ourselves. Maybe that's too much personal information, but let's move on to what you guys are here for. So here it is, my best selling item of 2022. It was an e.l.f. underliner setting powder. It's like a concealer or something. I don't know. My wife told me it was good. Yeah, so I did buy this at Dollar Tree and I was very careful with it. I did do my research. Didn't want to get an IP claim for this. And luckily we didn't get no claims for it. So this is why I'm telling you guys this was one of my best items. And if you guys do find it, I think you're good to go. Now, if anything happens to you guys or to your accounts, don't blame me. Like, this is your thing. It is up to you. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Do what you want. Don't blame me, okay? All right, so the buy cost was $1.55, $1.60 with tax. And we sold 350 units for about $15, $16 American, which came out to about $5,400 USD. When you convert it to Canadian, it's about $7,300 Canadian. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I haven't seen any of these in about 3 or 4 months, and maybe that's why I feel comfortable telling you guys about it, because you won't compete against me. I don't know if the Dollar Trees in the US have the same products, but if they don't, I'm sorry. And if they do, yeah, look out for this. All right, guys. So I think that's it for this video. And if you haven't subscribed after that bolo, I don't know, man. Like, I don't know what to tell you. And if you prefer these kind of videos, let me know, because I'm still trying to figure things out with YouTube. I don't know which way I'm leaning. Some people like when I go out and I source. Some people like these kind of videos where I'm just in my basement talking to you guys about stuff. So just let me know, leave a comment. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what else to tell you guys. Just subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.